valley. Many deep waters flow. It's a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. Good evening, Sister Myrtle. How are you, dear? I notice I'm not seeing you at church at all, Sister Myrtle. Even last night, all night prayer meeting, I never see you come at church. What is wrong with you? You alright? Okay then. I scramble go down Master Pedro. At 3 weeks now him not come at church. And when me ask what happened to him, I get to understand that he's very sick. So we catch up few things at the supermarket. We carry go give him. Just be show him a little kindness. Because as you know already say at the pension him a depend on and Franny is sick. I don't even know if he get figure collect it. We don't even know if the government send out the pension fee for this month. I don't know because sometimes they send it late. Because even when we supposed to get for the pension to sometime we can't get it. And he have one little grandson down there. If he know we good for him, he no make the grandson go collect it. Because them ya nowadays pick me. Them is as thief as puss. Next thing he take it and come back and tell him say the government not send out none anti-life on the government. So me buy up a few things to carry go give him. When he get better he can go collect the pension. Alright? So when I coming back, me and you will talk. Alright then. And don't make church miss you tomorrow. You hear? Sister Miracle, don't make church meet you. Alright. Uncle Pedro? Uncle Pedro? How would that I call? I'm my son, me come with some things for you. Because me hear say you're sick over 3 weeks now, me no see you at church. So me come for give you a few little things. I know not much because things hard with everybody. Everybody things hard with I know you alone. But through me know you no get to go collect in the pension because me no collect for me all now too. But as you know how we go with me, be quick to get something because somebody will send something from overseas for me. So me get one little money. But me no care no money for you today because me never remember. But nevertheless, me care, a couple tissue for you as me know you're sick. Yes, and me bring one toothpaste, yeah. Yes. And me could have just hand you the bag, but me just feel like take out everything. Mm? And I show off, me I show off, so me can carry things for you. But me just I take them out, just that you can see, because me know your grandson will come and search your bag and take out the things them go with them. And you don't know when me carry. So me just I make you see one when me carry for you. You hear? Yes. Take a good look on everything because you cannot trust them nowadays picking because when them not working, listen to what me I say, Pedro. Pedro, you have to listen to what me I say. Them now work and then sit down on the corner and all them do is smoke and then it's a rub out their hand and a rub out their hand and all of those things, Pedro. And when them no have nothing to eat, then come in a house, come take out in the food where you have and make and then no business if you don't want to eat. Pedro, Pedro, then no business if you don't want to eat, then don't business with you because then say you're whole and you're soon dead now. So they don't care about you. You have to think about yourself, Pedro. So look at what all I am carrying for you. Look at what I am giving you. You know, you must have find somebody if you cook little Sunday dinner for you tomorrow. Cause tomorrow me have to go to church. So you don't know already me now go can cook and can no food for you so you can provide little something for yourself. Me can hire for you, me can peas. And see there, me can one wall of chicken then say cut up already so you know about you know what you have problem. See there, what you see there. You know why you think I lie me again. All them are same thing your grandson you can't take it. See there. He will come and take everything because they don't want to walk an easy life. They want people to provide everything for them and then come and eat and drink and smoke up them big spliff and cut quam and look come and see me bring one lee ensure for you. You know, listen to what them are sing and chat foolishness about the ensure you take a drink and put the substance in your body. And now, see there, one last thing, one bad soap. You understand, Pedro? So, yes, when we done talk with you, you can pack up back everything in the bag. And if you even have it, push it under the bed, push it under the bed, somewhere about. And you make your grandson come take nothing. Because if you go find work do, then if you go and go find work do, walk out there. If I even figure plant yam. Because from Berry come and mash up a place, no food, no there. Then can go and go plant. Too lazy, too costed lazy. Let them find something do. And I'm making take out a little food when me give you. Alright. Me I come scramble go back up a yard. As you know, me have to go get ready for church tomorrow. You think of the church there too, you see me in a me tie and things? No, no, I saw me dress. You can't afford fi dress what's on this. Eh? With me pants down here so. Like me young, like the whole careless people are road with them pants down and you can't see their underpants where they have. And sometimes all the underpants we tear off. Tear off. The underpants we tear off. Some of them underpants steady. Some of them not tan good. I don't know where they have a show because some of them underpants not stay good. When you realize all some of them have on the big old man, them some underpants look like a little picnic underpants with the pattern of the panty. It turned me off. But through me a man and me not to notice them there's something there. But then sickness come out. Me I tell you. All right. All right, then Pedro. Pedro, take care. I hope you feel better. And we will come back and check you next week. Because I know easy if you walk so far. And as you know me already, we can hardly go because the pain them. All right. Please to like, subscribe, and share, and comment. Thank you. Really appreciate everyone subscriber. We're not in any hurry to reach to the 1,000. Okay? Alright.